In this video, I'm going to again take up bank reconciliation statement, and this is lesson number 2. In the previous video, I have already given you the concept on bank reconciliation statement, and today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a bank reconciliation statement. Now, you got to prepare a bank reconciliation statement when cash book and passbook are given, or when causes of differences are given. Now in case 1, when cash book and passbook are given, how are you going to prepare a bank reconciliation statement? Now in this case, what you have to do is, you have to go through each entries. You have to go through each entry of cash book and passbook and find out the entries which are common, which are passed in both the books, and tick them. Tick the entries which are passed in both the books, cash book as well as passbook. For example, check deposited. Check deposited will be recorded in the cash book as well as in the passbook. These are common entries. Okay, so take the common entry. After having done that, you will be left with unticked entries. So what does unticked entries indicate? It indicates that those entries are either passed in the cash book or only in the passbook. So by taking these entries, you will prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Fine. So when cash book and passbook are given to you, then we will take those entries which are either not recorded in the cash book or not recorded in the passbook to prepare a bank reconciliation statement. And yes, in this case, first we'll prepare the amended cash book and then we prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Okay. Now case 2, causes of differences are given. Now what are the causes? The reasons why there is a difference in the balance of passbook or the cash book. The causes of differences like check deposited but not collected by the bank, check issued but not presented to the bank. So these kind of statements will be given in the question. So when this kind of statements are given to you, these are the causes of differences. And when these causes of differences are given, it's very simple to prepare a bank reconciliation statement. You have to just take those causes and then prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Now here I tell you the rule to apply to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Now in order to follow the rule, I will have two persons. One is you, another one is your friend. Now who is you? Your you will always be the balance given. Like what is balance given? So while to prepare a bank reconciliation statement, you require balance either of cash book or passbook. You need to start with the passbook balance or the cash book balance, and this should be given in the question. So if the cash book balance is given, then cash book will be you and passbook will be your friend. If the passbook balance is given, then passbook will be you and cash book will be your friend. Got it? Now the rule. Do what your friend does. Number 2 is do opposite of what you do, but your friend has not done. These two simple rules you keep in your mind, and preparation of bank reconciliation statement will be very simple. Okay. So here I take a question to show you how to prepare a bank reconciliation statement, and this rule will also be clear to you. So here I have a question. From the following particulars of Mr. X, prepare a bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2018. Bank balance as per passbook 2000. Here the bank balance as per passbook. So passbook balance is given to you. That means the passbook is you and your friend is your cash book. So this is how we go. Books of Mr. X, bank reconciliation statement as on, this date of reconciliation is very important, as on 31st December 2018. So here we have this is particulars, this is plus, and this is minus. What is given to you here is bank balance. So we'll write down here bank balance as per passbook. What is the amount? Passbook 2000 is there. So whether it is a debit balance or credit balance is not known. Whether it is a favorable balance or unfavorable balance, nothing mentioned. So if nothing is mentioned, we'll always consider this as a favorable balance. So favorable balance in the passbook means plus. So we'll put this in the plus column here, 2000. Now balance given to you is the passbook. So here U is passbook and your friend is the cash book. Okay, so now let's check. Now in order to prepare a bank reconciliation statement, you require cash book and also the passbook. Now let's read the question and find out what is happening in the cash book and passbook. Okay, check issued but not presented for payment 6,000. Check issued. Who issued the check? The firm issued the check. So when a firm issues the check, the entry will be made in the cash book immediately. So here this is entered in the cash book 6,000 and it is issued payment, means this will decrease the balance, so it is minus 6,000, but not presented for payment, but it is not recorded in the passbook. Now what to do with this one? Okay, whether this should be plus or minus. Now we'll follow the rule. Do what your friend does. Look at here. Your is passbook. So this is the passbook. So your friend is cash book. What your friend has done? Your friend has done it minus 6,000. So what you have to do? Do what your friend does. That means you have to subtract this 6,000 because your friend has subtracted it. So here this is number 1. Check issued but not presented. What you have to do? Subtract. So I subtracted in the minus column. This is number 1 or this is number 2. So number 3, check paid into bank but not collected by the bank 18,000. Check paid into bank means check is deposited into the bank. Who deposited? The firm deposited. So again the entry will be there. It is deposited by the firm, so plus 18,000, but not collected by the bank. So since bank has not collected the check, so there is no entry in the bank. Now who is your friend? Your friend is cash book. Do what your friend does, what your friend has done. Plus 18,000, that means you have to put this 18,000 in the plus column. Number 3, check deposited but not collected. This is the statement. Then number 4, dividend collected and credited by the bank but not yet recorded in the cash book. Who has collected the dividend? This dividend is collected by the bank, 500. So when the money is collected by the bank, balance will increase. So this is plus 500 and it is not recorded in the cash book. It is not recorded in the cash book. Now, you have not done anything, but your friend has done plus 500. Do opposite of what you do, but your friend has not done. So, who is your friend? Friend is your who is your friend. Your friend is a cash book, and now here your is passbook. Do opposite of what you do. What you have done here, you have done plus 500, but your friend has not done. Since your friend has not done anything, so what you have to do is you have to do the opposite of what you have done. So here you have done plus 500, so this will become minus 500. So minus 500 here. Dividend collected but not entered in cash book. Number 5. Bank charges debited in the passbook but not recorded in the cash book. It is not recorded in the cash book, but it is debited in the passbook. So it is 200, and it is charges means payment, so minus 200. Again, your is this, your friend is cash book. That means your friend has not done anything. Your friend has not done. Friend has not done. So you apply rule 2. What you have to do that? You have to do opposite of what you have done. You have done minus 2, so opposite of this. So opposite of minus will be your plus 200. Bank charges not recorded in cash book. Last one, number 6. A bank draft issued by the bank on the request of Mr. X has not been entered in the cash book, rupees 10,000. Has not been entered in the cash book. That means it is entered in the passbook. It is a bank draft issued. Issued means payment, minus 10,000. Again, your friend has not done anything. Since your friend has not done, what you have to do is opposite. So this will become plus 10,000. Bank draft issued, not recorded in cash book. Done. Now, after having done this, we will take the total. What is the total here? 2830. 30,200, and here you have 6,500. That means your plus total is more. How much more? Let's minus this one. We will have 30,200 minus this will give you 23,700. Now this is the answer you have, or this is called bank balance. Bank balance as per, now this is the bank balance as per passbook, so this is the bank balance as per cash book. Okay, so bank balance as per cash book is 23,700, and this is on the plus side, so this is favorable balance or debit balance in the cash book. Okay, so this is how a bank reconciliation statement is prepared, and I hope you understood the simple rule of preparing a bank reconciliation statement. Thank you.